we are now getting the first rumors and leaks about the upcoming Apple Watch Series 11. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple plans to move from Intel 4G chips to new MediaTek 5G modems. Newer Apple Watch models could finally get faster data speeds when using maps, streaming songs, or making FaceTime audio calls. Apple plans to bring satellite connections to its smartwatch in 2025. Apple will be using micro-LED display technology in an Apple Watch released in 2025. While this could describe the OLED-based Apple Watch Ultra, and is ramping up work on a blood pressure feature, seeking to entice hikers and health-conscious consumers into upgrading their devices. The Apple Watch Series 11 will likely launch in September 2025 alongside the iPhone 17. The Apple Watch 11 will cost roughly the same as the Series 10, which starts at $399 for the smaller 42mm non-cellular model and $429 for the larger 46mm non-cellular device. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.